To change the source data of a chart, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to add the data of Company 3 to the chart shown on the screen. I first click the chart. Second, I click the right button of the mouse. Third, I choose Select Data. Fourth, I click the button on the right side of Chart Data Range. Fifth, I select the range A1 to E4, which contain the data of the 3 companies and its titles. Sixth, I hit Enter. Finally, I click OK. As a result, the chart now shows the data of all 3 companies.